Good afternoon to all. In today's session, we are concentrating on logic gate topic of digital electronics field. In this, I have enlisted the contents of this session, which consist of basic definitions, types of logic gates, functions of logic gates, IC number of all logic gates. Now we will discuss the basic definitions which we have to use for further presentation, and that are logic, second gate, third definition is truth table, fourth is Boolean equation, fifth is logic symbol, sixth is logic diagram. Now we will see the first definition, that is logic. The logic is defined as the statement which gives condition for high output. In digital electronics field, most of the times this logic is represented in true false or high low format. Now we will see second definition, that is gate. The gate is defined as the logic circuit with one or more input signal but only one output signal, and the input and output of any logic gate is always in 0 or 1 form. Means for any logic gate we have to provide input and output in binary format, and the binary format consists of only 0 and 1 values. In that, 0 stands for low or off position and negative or false statement. Same, binary value 1 is indicated as high or on position and positive and true statement. Now we will see the third very important definition, that is truth table. And the truth table is nothing but the function or operation of any logic gate in terms of table format. The truth table is defined as the table which consists of all possible combinations of input and corresponding output, and for the total number of possible combinations of truth table is calculated by applying this 2 raised to n formula, in which n is the value of total number of inputs. This fourth definition is Boolean equation. The Boolean equation is defined as the mathematical equation representing the particular function of the gate. This Boolean equation is also known as logical equation. For each logic gate, the Boolean equation truth table is different. Now we will see the fifth definition, logic symbol. The logic symbol is defined as the symbolic representation of the particular logic circuit. The last definition is logic diagram, and the logic diagram is defined as interconnection of various type of logic gate, and the logic gate is also known as logic circuit. Now we will see the different types of logic gate. There are two types of logic gates are present, that are basic gates and derived gates. Now we will see first basic gates. There are total 3 basic gates, and that are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Second is derived gate. There are total 4 derived gates, that are NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Now we will see very first basic gate, that is nothing but NOT gate. The NOT gate is a logic circuit which has only one input and only one output signal. The NOT gate is also called as an inverter. The function of NOT gate is used to perform the reverse operation as that of input signal, and the NOT gate provide high output only when all applied input is low. Now we will see the logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of NOT gate, which has A as a input signal and Y equal to A bar as a output signal. This circle is indicated as a bubble, and this bubble is nothing but the bar operation. Now we will see the Boolean equation. This Y equal to A bar is the Boolean equation or output equation of this particular NOT gate. Now we will see the truth table of NOT gate. Earlier in basic definition, we have seen the total possible combinations of particular truth table is calculated by applying the 2 raised to n formula, and in which n is nothing but the value of total number of input. For this NOT gate, we have only one input signal, that is nothing but A. So when we consider n equal to 1, then we will get total 2 combinations. Means for this logic gate, we can apply only 2 binary values for this input A. So here we have considered input and output column. In that A is an input and output is Y. For A input, we can apply 0 or binary value 1. When we will apply binary value 0, we are getting a reverse output value at the NOT gate, that is 1. And second case, when we apply binary value 1, then at the output side, we are getting binary value 0. Means this NOT gate performs a reverse operation as that of input signal. म्हणजे जी व्हॅल्यू आपण इनपुट साईडला अप्लाय केलेली आहे त्याच्या रिव्हर्स फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आउटपुट व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला नॉट गेटच्या आउटपुट साईडला मिळते. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नॉट गेट. Now we will see second basic gate, that is nothing but AND gate. The AND gate is a logic circuit which has 2 input and only 1 output signal. The function of AND gate is used to perform multiplication operation. This AND gate provide high output only when all applied input is at high position. Now we will see the logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of AND gate, which consists of A and B are the inputs, and this A into B is the equation of this AND gate. We are getting Y equal to A into B at the output side of AND gate, because this AND gate is used to perform the multiplication. As here inputs are A and B, so at the output side we are getting output Y equal to A into B. Now we will see the third factor for AND gate, that is truth table. Again, we have to calculate the total possible combinations of this truth table, and that combinations are depends on total number of input. For this AND gate, we have total 2 inputs A and B, that is n is equal to 2. When we put this value in 2 raised to n formula, we will get total 4 combinations. These 4 combinations are nothing but in 4 way we can apply binary values at this input side. This truth table consists of input and output column. In that A, B are the input, Y equal to A into B, this is the output. Here we can apply binary values in 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 format. And we have to find out the output values of this AND gate. For this purpose, we have to take multiplication of these 2 bits. So 0 multiplied with 0, 0. We have known that anything multiplied with binary value 0, it will produce 0 result. And when both inputs are at high position, then we will get the multiplication result as a 1. So this is the truth table of this AND gate, in which this AND gate provide high output only when both inputs are at high position. Now we will see third basic gate, that is OR gate. In that, the statement of OR gate is, this OR gate is also a logic circuit which has two input and only one output signal. The function of OR gate is used to perform the addition operation. Earlier we have seen AND gate, which is used to perform the multiplication operation, and this OR gate is used to perform the addition operation. For this OR gate, this gate provide high output only when at least one of the input is at high position. Now we will see this logic in terms of truth table. This is the logic symbol of OR gate. It has again A and B are the two inputs, and A plus B, this is the output equation of this OR gate. Boolean equation y equal to A plus B is a Boolean equation of OR gate. Now we will see truth table, nothing but the function of this particular logic gate. Again we have to calculate the total possible combinations of this truth table, and that combinations are calculated by applying the 2 raised to n formula, in which this n is nothing but the total number of inputs, and for this OR gate we have two inputs A and B. So for input column we have considered A and B, and for this output column we have considered y equal to A plus B. Now we have to apply these binary values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the four ways in which we can apply these binary values. And now what we have to do? We have to find out the binary output of this OR gate. So we have to take the addition of these two binary digits. So 0, 0 plus 0, it will be 0, 0 plus 1, it will 1, 1 plus 0, it will 1. Here in binary, we can't take 1 plus 1, 2. As we have to consider this one value is nothing but LED on position. So if both LEDs are at high position, then at the output side we are getting addition result is also high. So when we conclude the function of this OR gate, this gate provide high output only when at least one of the input is at high position. तेव्हाच आपल्याला आउटपुटला हाय व्हॅल्यू मिळू शकते. This is all about basic gates. Now we will see first derived gate, that is NAND gate. Why it is called as a derived gate? That this NAND gate is derived from the basic AND gate. So now we will see the statement of this NAND gate. The NAND gate is a logic circuit which has two input and only one output signal. The function of NAND gate is used to perform the complement of multiplication operation. Means we have seen AND gate as a basic gate. AND gate is used for performing multiplication, and NAND gate is derived from AND gate, and the function of NAND gate is complementing the AND operation. This gate provide high output only when at least one of the input is at low position. Now we will see the logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of NAND gate, which has A and B are the input, and A into B whole bar is the output equation of this NAND gate. And this bubble, if we remove this bubble, then the symbol becomes AND gate, and AND gate with bubble is a symbol of NAND gate. This is the Boolean equation which consists of y equal to A into B whole bar. This is the output equation. Now we will see the truth table. As this NAND gate has also two inputs, so total combinations are 4. Input A and B, output. We have to calculate A into B bar, but first we will calculate A into B, and then we will complement this column and we will get the final values of this NAND gate. So input are constant 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So first A into B, take multiplication of this column. When both inputs are at high position, then output is high. For rest of the condition, output is low. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the A into B whole complement. So take complement of this A into B column by rewriting as a 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. This triple 1 0 is a final equation values of this NAND gate. Now we will see second derived gate, NOR gate. Statement of this NOR gate. Earlier we have seen basic OR gate, and that OR gate is used to perform the binary addition operation. And this NOR gate is derived from that OR gate to provide the complement of binary addition. This NOR gate is also has two input and only one output signal, and the function of NOR gate is to perform the complement of addition operation. And this NOR gate is provide high output only when all input is at low position. This function we will be seen in truth table. Now we will see logic symbol. The logic symbol consists of A and B are the input and A plus B whole bar is output equation. This circle is bubble. If we remove this circle, then the symbol becomes OR gate, and OR gate with bubble is the symbol of NOR gate. This Boolean equation A plus B whole bar is a Boolean equation of NOR gate. Now we will see truth table. Truth table has input and output column. Here we have to calculate A plus B whole complement. For this purpose we will calculate first A plus B from input value A and B. Apply four combinations of these binary values 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For this first column A plus B, calculate addition 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the A plus B whole bar. So take a complement, one's complement of this A plus B column. We will get 1000 as a final values of this NOR gate, in which when both the input values are at low position, then we are getting high output. For rest of the condition, output is low. Now we will see XOR gate. The statement of this XOR gate. XOR gate is a logic circuit which has two input and one output signal. This gate provides high output only when applied all inputs are at different position, and this function we have to study in truth table. Logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of this XOR gate, which has A and B are input, and this XOR operation is represented by this symbol plus with circle A XOR B. Logical equation. This is the Boolean equation A XOR B. This equation can be written as A into B bar plus A bar into B. Truth table. Now we have to see the truth table. We have to calculate the A bar B plus A into B bar values. For this application, we will take truth table step by step. In that input consider A and B. After that, from A column take A bar, from B column take B bar. Then perform first term A bar into B, second term A into B bar, and last term is nothing but our A XOR B operation. So this XOR gate also has two inputs, so binary values will be in the four combination. These are the basic inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now from A column take A bar, by considering the 0 as a 1 and 1 as a 0. From B column take B bar, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Now A bar into B. Take multiplication of these two columns. When both inputs are at high position, then value will be high. For rest of the condition, value will be 0. For this next term, A into B bar, take multiplication of these two columns in which both the inputs are at high position, then output is high, and when input is low position, then value is low. Now we have to calculate this A bar B plus A into B bar value. So take addition of these two columns, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Means when the inputs are at different position, then output is high, and for the rest of the condition output is 0. Now we will see last logic gate, that is nothing but XNOR gate. XNOR gate is also a logic circuit. It has two inputs and only one output signal. This gate provides high output only when all applied inputs are at same position. Logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of XNOR gate, which has A and B inputs, and A XOR B whole bar is output equation of this XNOR gate. This A XOR B whole bar can be written as A into B plus A bar into B bar. Now we will see truth table. In that input is same A comma B. Output we have to find A into B plus A bar into B bar. For this purpose we will get a truth table step by step. Apply 4 input values of this AB 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Very first column, take A bar from this A column by rewriting as a 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Take B bar from this B column by writing 0 to 1, 1 to 0. A into B. Take multiplication of these two columns in which both inputs are at high position, then output value is high. For rest of the condition, output value is low. Now we have to calculate A bar into B bar. Take multiplication of these two columns in which 1 into 1 both are 1. So output value is 1, and for rest of the condition multiplication will be 0. But for this XNOR gate we have to calculate the A into B plus A bar into B bar. So now we have to take the addition for these two columns in which 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. This is the final values of this XNOR gate. Means this gate provide high output only when all applied input are at same position. A and B should be 0 or should be 1, then we will get the high result. Now we will see the functions of OR gate. This first NOT gate is used to perform the inverse operation. After that, second AND gate is used to perform the multiplication operation. Third OR gate is used to perform the addition. NAND gate, which is derived from this basic AND gate and is used to perform the complement of multiplication. After that, NOR gate. This NOR gate is derived from this basic OR gate, which is used to perform the complement of addition operation. XOR and XNOR gate. These two gates are used to perform the comparison operation. These all about functions of all logic gates. Now we will see integrated circuit numbers of each IC. This first gate is NOT gate. IC is 7404. IC 7408 is used for AND gate. IC 7432 is used for OR gate. IC 7400 is used for NAND gate. IC 7402 is used for NOR gate. IC 7486 is used for XOR gate. And IC 747266 is used for XNOR gate. This is all about today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.